What you are seeing on my screen now is a chatbot that I built for my WhatsApp. And what it does is that when customer comes to my WhatsApp and search for I or just press I or type anything, automatically this chatbot is going to reply them and direct them on what to do concerning my business. Now, this is a good marketing strategy because with this, I can direct any of my customer where I want to direct them to and they'll be satisfied. So if you're interested in knowing how you can build this chatbot, please ensure you watch this video to the end. And the good thing about this is that it is absolutely free. I will show you everything from A to Z. So let us do a simple sample of what this chatbot can do. Let's say, for example, so just come to my WhatsApp and search for maybe just I, and you see this auto reply is going to come up. You can see it now. I've set this chatbot to also reply to any I. Then it's going to come. Welcome to Dan Tops Academy. Please select one of these services that you want us to do for you. So let's say, for example, the person now select one. Okay, let's say person select one. Let me go for one. I've set one. You can see this auto reply is going to set up again that, okay, what do you want to do? I want to say that person want to register for examination, select two. Then this is going to come up that please know that registration is currently closed. What other thing do you want? So let's say the person want to come to the tutorial center. Just select two. So when the person select two, the address of the center is going to come up and the phone number is going to come up. Now all these I just created using these tools. These are free tools. You can use create your own chatbot. You can direct customer where you want to direct them to, and this is absolutely cool. Anybody can use it. It does not matter the type of business you run. Even though if it's church, NGO, any services you render, with this you can be sure that your customers will always be satisfied, at least 70% satisfied before you come online and begin to answer them. So this chatbot is going to help you even though when you are sleeping, in as much that your data is on, is going to auto reply every person that comes to your DM. So guys, this is cool, isn't it? So it's just amazing. So it does not matter when the person just come to your DM and search for all this, it's going to come up. So even though hello or anything, it's going to come up because it's going to auto reply every message that comes to your DM. Every message that comes to your DM from a first person that have not been your DM before is going to auto reply them. So guys, let me show you how I was able to create this chatbot. Now, the first thing you need to do is to download an application. Yes, an application is a free app, although it has a premium one, but in this particular video, we're not going to use the premium one, we're going to use the free one. So I'll walk you through everything from A to Z. All right, guys, so before we go, the first thing I want you to do is to click on the red button, subscribe, because basically YouTube is telling me that 86% of people that watch my channel are not subscribed to my channel. Please, the only thing I want from you now is just to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe, and your subscription really means a lot to me. Subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends and family. It is free. To share is free, to subscribe is free. Please do this for me. So guys, let's go right into it. So I'm going to uninstall this application and show you how you can do everything from A to Z. So let me just locate the application and uninstall it so that you can be sure that I'm doing everything from A to Z. So I'm going to uninstall it. So with this is going to go off. All right, getting uninstalled. So now they have successfully uninstalled it. So for you to install it, just come and locate your Play Store. So I'm going to locate my own Google Play Store. I'm using an Android phone, so I locate Google Play Store and search for this application. So the name of the application is Whatsauto. So like Whatsauto replier. So it's going to come up like this. So this is the application we are going to install. You can see it here. This is the particular one we are going to install. This one. So you can see it, WhatsApp auto reply. Just search for Whatsauto. This is going to come up. It's going to be A like this. So all you have to do is just to click on install. So you're going to install the application. To install the application, it is free. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe if you are here to subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for always returning to watch every of my content. It really matters a lot to me. So guys, now that this is going to install, and one beautiful thing I like about it that it occupies a very small space. So I'm going to click on open after that successfully installed. So this is the interface, a very cool interface and easy to understand. So when you come here, the first thing is going to tell you is that it's for you to on the bot. You need to on this bot, and to on this bot, it is cool and easy. Just come here and click on this toggle button here, and this is going to on. As you can see, when it's on, it's going to take you to your WhatsApp here, telling you that you should on it again just to be 100% sure, so you can have access to location. So you will locate the app. So currently, this is where the app is. Here, I'm going to locate this and I'm going to allow it. So I've located it and allow it. So when I successfully allow it, I'm going to go back to the app here. So now this is what everything is going to get started, and it's amazing. So just come here and click on this menu. Let me just show you everything from A to Z. Let's just go back a little bit. So don't forget that immediately you open it, you come to this home. Ensure to on this auto reply. Ensure that it is on. Then come back here. Now when you're on your home page, you can actually sign in. You can sign in. You can see here. You can just sign in to get an account. But since you're using a free account and you do not want to upgrade yet, you can just leave it. It's not necessarily you sign in. But if you have to upgrade, please ensure you sign in. So now when you come here, the other things you can do here, you can see here we have supported app. When you click on it, these are some of the app that this particular chatbot is going to work for. So it's going to work for both WhatsApp normal and WhatsApp business. So it does not matter in as much these two applications on your phone and you have this WhatsApp, this chatbot, anybody that comes to any one of it and search I is going to just direct them, and it is cool, guys. It is amazing. So I'm going to switch on back here. So here you can see the second thing here, which is custom reply. Now, what I'm having here is an ad. So this is an ad. So we are not going to concern ourselves with that. So here we also have our menu replies, and here we have the spreadsheet. Here we have the welcome message, and see, here we have the server. So we have the server here. We have the text reply. We have the dialogue box, and we have the notes. So basically, in the free version, what you can actually do, you can just be able to do custom reply, you can do menu reply and welcome message, then you can do text reply. So guys, with a menu reply, you can only reply menu, you can only set a menu reply of one. So I'm going to show you what everything means here. So guys, let us start with the first one here, which is custom reply. So you click on custom reply. Now custom reply is like a type of reply that comes to your customers automatically when they click on a link that contains some certain keyword. Sure, you understand? I think many of us could have experienced it whereby you from Facebook, you click on the link and it's come to a DM, and automatically there's a message written with the link that when you send it, you automatically get a reply automatically. So what they use is a custom reply, and with this, your customer can be sure that you actually have them in mind. So how can you create your own custom reply using a chatbot? So the first thing you are going to do here is to on this custom reply. So you click on. When you have on it, then the next thing you're going to do is to click on this plus icon down here, so we can able to add our own custom reply. Now you click on this plus icon, the next thing you're going to do here is to add your own incoming keyword. Let's say, for example, the link that you want people to what you want people to just do is this. Let me just space this is this. So I actually type this. So I have I Daniel, kindly add me to your mentorship. So this is an example. So in this particular text that I just write, now you can type your own, but I just copy and paste because I've typed it somewhere else just to save time. I Daniel. So I is a keyword, Daniel is a keyword. You can see all these are keyword. Now this is what I want people to automatically have when they click on my WhatsApp link or any of the link. Like I've already set it, I've already attached it to it. So if you want me to show you how you can actually do that, you can actually comments in the comment section. I'm going to show you how you can do that. It's very simple. You can use the link wa.link to do that. So now after I've already successfully created your keyword, so now you give it a reply. So let's say the reply is welcome. Okay, welcome. After I've put welcome, I want this chatbot to actually call the person's first name. So I'm going to put name, welcome. So welcome, I'm going to put name. So how can this chatbot knows the person's name? It's going to automatically take the person's name from WhatsApp and put it. Maybe that person's name is Daniel too. Say welcome Daniel. That person's name is Jude. Welcome Jude or Shola, or as the case may be. So welcome. Okay, I'm not going to just put my own reply. I am glad. So I'm going to say this. I'm glad to have you here. Then I'm going to put a link. Kindly click on the link to join. Maybe the link to join is like a let's say for example you just like normal Facebook, so you need to join normal was YouTube. So I just put YouTube here. It depends on what you want to put. So I put, for example, I put youtube.com. So when they click on this youtube.com or the website, it's going to automatically take them there. So after I've done that, the next thing I'm going to do is to come down here. You can see reply option. Now I actually click on this tag, so name. So you can actually set it if you want to, anyone you want to. So now the reply option, ensure that you do not enable anyone. Okay, ensure you do not enable any one of these in your custom reply. Leave it the way it is. Now we have the next option here, which is match option. So in your match option, click on contain. So let me show you what is this. So if you choose an exact match, it means that that message must be exactly the way it is, the way the incoming keywords are. It must be exactly the way it is. So if it's not exactly the way it is, this chatbot will not automatically reply. But if you choose contain, if it contain any one of those keywords, the chatbot will automatically reply. So ensure that you click on contain. When you click on contain, all you have to do is just to come up here and click on this check mark to show that it has already been done. So you can see it has been done. You can actually add more. If you want to add more again, you click on this plus button, you add more if you want to. So now let us test this and see how it is going to work. Let me just go back. You go back, you'll be back in your menu. Now, before you test it, the next thing you're going to do is to click on home. Then click on home. Then on this particular pencil you can see here, click on this particular pencil. It's very important to do this. Click on this particular pencil and click on custom. Okay, click on custom reply. Ensure that you enable this custom reply so that the chatbot can know that the answer you want to give your customer is a custom reply, not a menu reply. So as I told you earlier, I'm going to explain to you what menu reply is. I will create a chatbot, this particular chatbot, to answer that particular question again. So guys, ensure you watch this video to the very end. Now, then after I've done that, just click on this plus button and you can see that the menu, the custom reply has been set. So let us test this. To test it, you come here to your test reply, click on test reply. Then let us say, for example, I just put that particular text that to when people click on my link, they come to my DM with this message, and when they send it, so this auto reply is going to reply them automatically. You can see welcome. Now this Whatsauto is the name of this chatbot. So if that person's name is Daniel, for example, say welcome Daniel. If it's Philip or Tunde or Jude, as the case may be, or Chioma, so it's going to take, for example, let's say the person's name is Chioma. So you see welcome Chioma, I am glad to have you. So they see this is the link they click on, and you take them anywhere you want them to go. They click on that link and they are good to go, and they can join. And after they have clicked on the link, I can tell them to come back here and click on done. So they click on done, and another auto reply is going to come forth with them, which I might have set. So this is cool, guys. Cool, guys. So with this, you can be able to automatically reply anybody immediately without you worrying. You can be sleeping in as much your data is on. This chatbot will be working. Yeah, guys, it's going to work, guys. So with this has been done. So let me show you how you can be able to create the first thing you saw in this video. In the opening of this video, that is what we call a menu reply. It's a menu reply. It gives your customer options to select. So to create a menu reply, it is very, very easy. So the first thing I'm going to do is to off this custom reply. I'm going to click on this custom reply and I'm going to off it so that it's not going to give my customer both the two options together. Custom reply and menu. So you off one and on one. So I'm going to off this. So I want to create a menu reply. So I'm going to click on menu reply. So the menu reply is that first thing you saw in the opening of this video, whereby you give your customer options, like click on one. When I click on one, something will come out for them. Click on two. When I click on two, something else will come out for them. You understand? So to do that, all you have to do is to come here and click on create menu. So you click on create menu. When you click on create menu, you're going to write your message. So let's say, for example, they just put that particular message. Hi, welcome Daniel. So you just write this. Welcome. Maybe welcome. I am glad. I am glad to have you here. So and I put how. So I ask them a question. How do you intend to join? So I'm using this for an example. How do you intend to join? So when I've asked them this question, how do you intend to join? So I'm going to put some lists. So I'll click on this add list. Maybe then the first list I want to put there is maybe through direct call. I put through direct call. That is the first link. Then I'll click on the add list again to put second one. Maybe through, they want to join through email. Through email. Okay, sorry. So for you to put the second link, if you have clicked on that link 2, you have to click on the link 2 again for it to open, so that you should not be typing on that first error that I did that time. So you click on here. So let's see, maybe through email. You can see as we're typing it here, it is appearing here. You can notice that. So let's say, and the other one I want to put is through physical contact or something like that, maybe through physical class. So let's say physical class. So when I click on this, then when you are done, all you have to do is also click on this particular, you see this particular check mark button here. Click on it. When you click on it, it's going to be check mark like this. So now under each reply, you can actually create a sub menu. For example, if that person choose direct call, you can actually create a sub menu. So I'm going to click on sub menu. So if they select direct call, I can also say okay. Maybe I can also put this okay. Choose when you want to receive the call. Maybe I also do this, choose when to receive the call. Then I'm going to choose like a list. Maybe one, I also put this maybe in the morning, when I receive the call in the morning, or list 2 afternoon. Okay, in the morning. Okay, see that mistake happened again whereby I did not click on this list 2. I was just typing directly. So let me put the question mark here. Then maybe here I click on maybe they want to receive the call in the morning, or maybe the third list I want them to do is to maybe in the evening. And when I'm done, I'll just click on this check mark to do that. So maybe they want to say true, true call. So when I click on this menu again, you see the menu. Now, even in the morning again, I can decide to add another menu. So in the morning, I can decide to just choose time. Let me just say choose your convenient. Let's say choose your convenient time. Then I'm going to put the list of time. Let's say the list 1 I'm going to write 8 o'clock. So I'm not showing example. So with this, you can do this. So most people, you see them, you'll be amazed that how did they do this? So I'm showing you how you can do it now. Maybe 8 o'clock, or let's say the second option I'm giving to them is 9 o'clock a.m. So the third list I want to give to them is, let's say, for example, I just put 10 o'clock a.m. Then I'm going to check make it okay. So you can start even the morning have his own. So for example, okay, you can see here there's a mistake. I'm having two morning and morning. So why can you edit it? Click on these 3 dots. So there's a 3 dots somewhere here. You click on these 3 dots and you can see edit. I'm going to click on edit. So is morning, I go there, I should have write afternoon. So I'm going to write afternoon and click on done. So it's going to change to afternoon. So now you can see that in our sub menu we have more. So let's say for example the person now choose maybe 8 o'clock a.m. and I say I'm not going to write that is fine. That is fine. But you will have to pay first. That's fine, but you have to pay first. Then I'll put the link. One, maybe the first link, no problem. I will pay. Maybe the second list is kindly. Maybe I want to give him another option. Maybe kindly wait. No, I don't think it is give him another option. Maybe the second option is let me think about my success, success hunger. I want them to actually make that call. So I'm just let me think about my success hunger. So maybe this, then I'm going to check message. Okay. So if they have chosen morning, maybe 8 o'clock, and they choose no problem, I will pay. Then I want to put another menu again. All right. So kindly send your payment. Let's say payment of, let's say for example is 100k to, then I put okay to no now I say to, then I put my account number. Let me put this particular number. This is just a domain account number. Then here I write click done. After payment is made, then I'll put option here, option 1, done. Done. Then maybe I want to add another list. Please send another account number. This is just this. So I just show you how you can actually work around this. So now with this, we have actually created a menu reply. So let us see how this is going to work. Let me just press back, press back, and you can see me pressing back. So for this to work again, you need to do other thing. You come back here, you click on your home. So when you click on home here, now you are going to edit this particular option here, this menu, this you click on this dot. Now you select menu reply. So you want it to be menu reply, then you checkmate it. You come up here and click on this particular checkmate. So you checkmate it now. It's going to be a menu reply for us. So I'm going to click on back. So let me just click on this custom reply and see if it is off. So it is off. So let's say, for example, let's test this and see how this works. So if I'm to come to my WhatsApp here and I just put I, you see what this is going to auto reply. Welcome. I'm glad to have you here. So how do you intend to join, with the mentorship? So any message they put there, if it's I or anything, as the first person that come to my DM, first person is going to just automatically pop up like that, something like that. All right, so how do you intend to join? Maybe through, okay, let's say person select one, through direct call. So the other one is going to come, okay, choose when you want to receive the call. Okay, I'm going to choose one here, maybe in the morning. I choose morning. Okay, choose your convenient time. The person also select one. So basically, can select any option. So if you want the person to select two, ensure that you have filled up everything with some menu to satisfy yourself. You'll be leading the customer on what to do. And it's important to give them a very little chance of saying no. So you give them a very little chance of saying no. So now so you can see this auto reply. That's okay. That is fine. But you have to pay first. So let's say the person decide to choose one. Okay, one. Oh, no problem. I will pay. You can see this option now comes up. Kindly send your payment of this to this. So then click on done. So when the customer click on done, everything is done like that. So you just receive your money and you're good to go. So maybe when they have paid finish, they click on done. I will not advise you to put maybe, okay, since they've already made payment, you can just put the last one. Please send your payment screenshot, so they can send the payment screenshot to verify that they've already made payment. You can see that this is very cool and this is very easy. It is cool and it is very easy. There's no problem, no problem whatsoever. So let me test this with one of my accounts and see, because I'm using a single phone. Let's just see. Let me just come to my WhatsApp here. Let me search for my number. I think I can message myself. Let's see my number on WhatsApp here, and let me message myself and see if it's going to work on myself, or better, maybe it's not going to work on myself. Okay, guys, so this is not going to work on myself because I don't think this chatbot is going to work when I message myself. But when somebody else message me, it's going to work fine. I've tested this and it's going to work fine. So let me show you the one I created before, and somebody messaged me. So I started told my sister to send me a message just to check it how it's going to work. You can see she just decided to send me a message and it works. You can see the first one I did initially, you can see this is going to work and it's working beautifully fine. So guys, this is the end of this particular video, and with this you can be sure that your customer will be glad of the way you move them. And one other thing I like about this is that if you come up here and you click on statistics, you will see people that have actually done one or two things. So you can see this the number of auto reply that have been sent. You will see everything down here, how things goes here. You can actually download it if you want to, and with this you can know the number of people that have interacted with your stuff. So you can see this. Now if you want to view everything, I need to upgrade, but I think I'm okay with this. I can know the people that have interacted with my stuff. So with this, guys, we are good to go. So guys, please don't forget, please subscribe. Your subscription means a lot to me. Do not just watch it and say wow and go away. Please subscribe, like this video. If you have any question, comment. I'll be glad to answer you. So guys, I look forward to seeing the next video. Thank you so much and I love you. Thank you.